I was following a tiger which had gone into the bush. It started raining again. When it rains, the sound of an approaching predator gets muffled and hidden by the sound of falling raindrops. Visibility also reduces. Tiger, being very intelligent, takes advantage of the weather condition. The Gaurs had clearly got the scent of the tiger and were very nervous and agitated. They were sticking to the open area. This small Gaur calf had no inclination about the danger. The calf moved closer to this agitated Gaur. And immediately got a headbutt and was flung in front. For a few seconds, the calf was stunned. Then it ran away. Reminds me of childhood days when unknowingly you disturb your angry parent and immediately come to regret it. It is important to be situationally aware.